Let's start with mindset first. A healthy lifestyle isn't just about diet or exercise, it's a mindset. The small daily decisions you make are either building your health or breaking it. Instead of checking your phone right after waking up, take 5 minutes to practice gratitude. Do some deep breathing, 10 slow breaths. It gives fresh oxygen to your brain and reduces stress. Write down your daily goals. According to research, written goals are 42% more likely to be achieved. Now let's talk about food, because a balanced diet is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Include protein in every meal: eggs, chicken, lentils, chickpeas. These keep your muscles strong. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. They give you quick energy, but cause a crash later. Fill 50% of your plate with vegetables, 25% with lean protein, and 25% with whole grains. Increase your water intake. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters a day. And yes, avoid crash diets or extreme fasting. Your body needs sustainable energy, not punishment. Exercise doesn't have to be boring or hard. Even a 30-minute walk every day can drastically improve your health. If you can't go to the gym, do stretching or yoga at home. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. And if you have a desk job, take a 5-minute walk every hour. According to science, people who do just 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week have a 33% lower risk of chronic diseases. A big part of a healthy lifestyle is mental health. Make sleep a priority. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep keeps your hormones balanced. Manage stress through meditation, journaling, or simply deep breathing. Keep strong social connections. Spending quality time with family and friends is also a form of therapy. You can create big change with small daily habits. Do meal prep on weekends to avoid junk food cravings. Set a bedtime reminder on your phone. Keep less junk food at home. Out of sight, out of mind. Consume positive content, motivational books, and podcasts that uplift your mind.